Did you know you can turn your love for mobile gaming into a profitable side hustle? Well, in this video, I will show you how you can earn money by playing simple games on your phone. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay, family, I'm in the Google Play Store, and I pulled up this app. The name of the app is Play Spot, Make Money and Play. As you can see, they have 10 million downloads. And let's look at the screenshots right quick. So earn, make money while playing. So this is one of the games you'll be playing, and you can win this many coins. Explore new games every day. So you won't get the same games every day. You'll be able to explore and find new games to play. Bonuses, money transfer or gift cards. So you can get your money through PayPal, or you can get Amazon gift cards, or just have it bank transferred. Enjoy only the best games. So what they do is scout out the best games that's on the market and provide those games for you to play on this app. Now what I'm going to do is click right here where it says about this app. So it says here, discover the best games and make money for playing. PlaySpot allows you to earn cash for playing games. Do what you do anyways, but make money at the same time. With PlaySpot, you can make money playing games and watching videos. It's super easy. PlaySpot recommends games to you that you haven't seen anywhere else. You download them, and the more you play, the more you earn. You cash out via PayPal or Amazon gift voucher. So this is how it works, guys. You just simply download a game you like in the app, play, and make money. Then you can get either an Amazon voucher, or we pay you directly on PayPal. Then you can watch videos and fill out surveys to earn more cash with PlaySpot. Also, loads of other easy ways to make money on your phone. They have a lot of more ways that you can make money, not just playing games. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.3. Excellent app, guys. I always say anything that's over 4 stars is an excellent app, because there's not that many apps out there that's 4 stars on up. Now let's look at one review here. So this person named Sharon says, this site is totally legit. I played a bunch of games, watched a ton of ads, and in about 6 weeks earned a $50 gift card and a $20 one in a few weeks later that they actually paid out. So guys, you're not going to make a ton of money on here, but just playing some games, you can get up to $50 or even up to $70 in some weeks, like this person did. So guys, to start making money by playing games, go to Google Play Store, download the app, and make this money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app, and share this video all around the internet. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Alright guys, I really appreciate you guys. One last thing before I go, guys. If you want to learn how to manifest money fast, download this ebook called A Guide to Use Grabbable Numbers. It's in the description and also in the comments below. Download that book and it'll show you how to manifest money fast just using numbers. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn how to make money with your phone. Peace and have a prosperous day.